I got the right bulbs. Guys, welcome back to Our Garage Auto Detail and Stuffs, because today we're not doing detail stuff, we're doing truck stuff. Matter of fact, we're doing lighting today. Let me show you. Here we go. All right. The halogen projectors, that's your low beam. There's our halogen, oh that's bright. Our halogen fog lights. Our high beam is right. Our reverse lights. I want it to be a little bit brighter when I back up because, you know, it gets dark around here. Stick with us today as I show you how to change some light bulbs. We might just do this in a two-part. I might go ahead and do the headlights as one video. And then the fog lights and the reverse lamps, those are gonna be another video. So stay tuned for part one, where we're gonna do the reverse lights and the fog lights. Take a look at the reverse lamps as they sit right now. Yeah, sure they're bright and all, but yeah, we can do better. They bright now, but we can do better. Okay guys, welcome back. Are they here? We're gonna take this off again. Remember, we gotta pop that guy off if we're gonna do that. So, we're gonna pop this guy off, get those screws out. Pretty sure, yeah, I can't get the screw out without this off, so let me get my pick tool. All right, pick tool, pop off this little metal sleeve here. It's a little metal ring that snaps in place and it sits around the little ball that's on the bracket. And we just let that sit. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if that's coming through T25. Alright. Super easy. This is super duper easy. With those two screws out, we can now pop this off, but I'm going to insert a picture of the incandescent bulb or halogen bulb, whatever, in one side and the LED bulb in the other side right here. I'm going to insert that picture right here. Okay, hope those pictures came through. You can see a difference, right? The LED bulb, it's whiter, it's brighter, it's crisper. The halogen or incandescent bulb, whatever it is, the factory bulb, it's yellow, it's dull, it's gross. Anyway, those screws are out. I'm gonna pop this baby forward. Remember, I'm popping it forward, sliding it off the little insert poppets. Inserts. Okay. Here it is. Remember kids, do not do it this way. But you may have to do it this way. Just do as I say, not as I do. Blah, blah, blah. Probably easier if you disconnected it too. Alright. This is as simple as it gets. Bulb pops out. Holding the bottom of the bulb. I'm holding the outside of the bulb. I'm not touching the LED portion. Okay. Matter of just sliding in here. Slide it in. It in and then twist it to lock it. Don't use pliers, but if you do, use them at your own risk. That's in there. Boom. Just slide it back on its poppets. Get the screws started. The nice thing about the screws, they've got the washer built in. I love this flexi screwdriver. This is a big, got this when I was installing car stereos at the Good Guys and Car Toys. This and a 10mm socket. Do Hondas all day long. Okay. Alright guys. It is screwed nice and tight. It's mounted back in there. I'm going to put the tailgate strut back on. Boom. Clips into place. It doesn't get much easier than this. Stay tuned for the fog lights. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around for the second half of the video. That's right, we're doing fog lights. Did the reverse lights, you saw the reverse lights. They look good. I'm just gonna say it, they look good. They're bright, they're white, they're crisp, they're clean. We are gonna get some LEDs in the fog lights, so let's turn the light off a little bit. And let's see just how yellow these things really are. Crispness. We want some crispy fogs. We're gonna get up close and personal to change these out. Stick with us. I'm gonna do one and throw them back on, see what they look like, and then we can compare the light that they put off. I'm also gonna show you how to do it. So stick around. Let's get those fog lights changed to some LEDs. Make this a little bit better. All right. For these, we're gonna do the C light. This is a 9006 size, that's the model. The color 6000K, that's the color range or whatever. It's bright white. We're gonna put these guys in. This is what it takes. Okay, here we are under the truck. The air suspension is all the way up. That's what I got. Got my Zeta light up. You can see the back of the plug right there. All right, this should just unlock. Let's go ahead and let's get you unplugged first. All right, got my headlamp on. Okay. Here's the back of the bulb. This guy right here. Here's the plug. It's obviously weather sealed. Here you go. Halogens. Sylvania, that's the 9006. I don't know if you can see that. Try to zoom in on it. Get here 6-month extended warranty card. The instruction manual for the LED lighting. Please read your instructions before doing this. This guy looks like these things are going to be pretty straightforward. Doesn't look like there's much to them. Some of these require like a load diode or whatever. We are going to see if we can get them to work without. All right, so here's some tips. Here's obviously the seal. Okay, that's your weather seal. But if you look, these little legs or tabs are the locking mechanism. Well, you can see that they're different sizes, right? So can I kind of only go in one way? So seats, twist, plug back in. Okay, there it is. It's installed compared to the regular halogen. That white's on. Bro. Yeah. Huge difference. Woo! Yeah. Hook it up. Comment below if you recognize that quote. Let's get the other one in, then we'll see what they all look like, or see what they both look like. But yeah, let's get the other one in. Okay, here it is again. This is on the driver's side. There's the bulb. Just unplugging it. Got it unplugged. I don't know if you can actually see. I will hold it out of the way. Boom. Here we go. It's back in. This is the back of it. Plugged in. Okay, let's get it back on. Let's see if it worked. Okay. Let's clean up the work area. Ooh. Oof. All right. That's the white LED fog lights with the current halogen in the projector housing. The low beams, right? It's so bright. It's just washing out the video. Yeah. Cool. Okay, guys. Next up, it's going to be headlights. It's going to be low beams, high beams. We're going to do LED for those. That'll be like in the second part of the LED transformation for the lights. That'll be in a separate video. This video, we just did the fog lights. We just did the reverse lights. Switched them out to some bright white LEDs. Bro, I'm happy. Looks good. Looks great. All right. Thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I hope you learned how easy it is to switch out these lights, these bulbs. It's super easy. Okay, guys, until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.